Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling voice where Roblox expects it. Open Roblox, go to Settings, then Privacy, and turn on Voice Chat. Do this now. Once done, make sure your device grants microphone permission. Without it, Roblox cannot record. Also, check your account is age verified if required, because Roblox gates voice features. If you've updated the app but still see no option, sign out and back in to refresh feature flags. This often resolves permission sync issues quickly. Next, you record and send. Open the chat or friend window, then tap the microphone icon, hold down to record and release to send, which prevents accidental posting. While recording, watch your input meter so your voice isn't clipping or too quiet. If you need better quality, use a headset mic. This reduces background noise. Remember to keep messages concise for clarity. If you want to re-record, immediately use cancel. Otherwise, Roblox will upload as soon as you release the button. Finally, manage your messages and troubleshoot when needed. You can mute or delete voice messages from chat settings and block users who misuse voice. If voice fails, restart the app and recheck microphone permissions in your device settings. This resolves most hiccups. Make sure your OS and audio drivers are up to date and clear Roblox cache if issues persist. If nothing works, retry after a short wait. Server-side feature rollouts and temporary throttles can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.